Hi there and welcome to our next video on the group 0 elements, otherwise known as the noble gases. In this video we're going to be looking at what the noble gases are and some of the trends that occur in this group. So first of all, what are they? As I've mentioned, the group 0 elements are known as the noble gases, and this group is a very special group, and this is because they have a full outer energy level or a full outer shell, and this means that they're less reactive. So if I was to draw that out over here, we have the nucleus in the center of the atom, and we have these electron shells orbiting the nucleus. Noble gases have a full outer electron shell. So whether it has two electron shells, the second shell, the outer electron shell would be full. If it had two, there would be 8 electrons in its outer shell, and if there was only one, there would be 2. Remember, the first shell holds 2 electrons and the second and third shell hold 8 electrons. The noble gases are very less reactive because, as you know, they already have a full outer electron shell and they don't have to react with any other element in the periodic table to gain a full outer shell because they already have one. The noble gases are monatomic gases, which means they exist as singles, and an interesting fact is that the noble gases are colorless at room temperature. Now looking at some of the trends in the group. So the boiling point of the noble gases increase as you go down the group along with their relative atomic masses. So here's a copy of the periodic table. The group 0 elements or the group 8 elements, as you go down, the boiling point increases. So krypton, for example, will have a higher boiling point than neon. And as you can see, I've circled the relative atomic masses. And those increase as you go down the group as well. So helium has a relative atomic mass of 4, and neon, going down the group, has a relative atomic mass of 20, and then argon has a relative atomic mass of 40, and so on. Now looking at the boiling points of the noble gases, as you go down the group, they increase in boiling point, and we're going to have a look at a table now. So looking at helium has the lowest boiling point. Then comes neon, it has the second lowest boiling point. But then if you go to xenon, it has the highest boiling point. It boils at approximately minus 110 degrees. In the description box below, there's a link to a quiz which you can have a go at. In our next video, we're going to be having a look at some exam questions to do with the group 0 elements or the noble gases. But for now, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it, and one last thing, please subscribe and hit the like button.